I'm asked this question almost every time a new client comes in, and the answer is, I don't know the answer. I don't know how much the divorce will cost. I can make some predictions. I can say, and I do say, that divorces can range from $5,000 to $150,000 depending on the level of conflict. The ongoing cost of divorce can vary enormously, and I find that the costs ebb and flow. For example, at the beginning there tends to be a lot of time put in and a lot of expense, therefore, that's incurred at the beginning of the case. But then it quiets down for a little while. And since the lifetime of divorce can be somewhere between 6 months, that is, and 2 years, obviously not every month is going to be a big billing month, and there are costs along the way. For example, there are depositions. A deposition is where a party is asked questions in a conference room of a lawyer's office, and a court reporter is there taking down the question and the answer. And a deposition can be costly. There are also experts that might be needed. There might be appraisers needed to value the value of a marital home or other real estate. There may be an expert needed to value a business, and these are costs that are incurred during the course of a divorce. I try to make the financial part of the divorce as friendly and flexible as possible for clients. As I said, this is not a budgeted item. People don't usually save up for a divorce. So in order to make it easier for clients, I discussed as I said, the retainer amount to make it as comfortable as possible. Also, we take credit cards. A lot of clients now like to pay by credit card. And we keep that topic of the finances, open and for discussion. It's also important for a client to ask what the hourly rates are for other people in the law firm who will be working on the case. So generally, partners charge a higher hourly rate than junior attorneys, and paralegals have a lower rate still. And to the extent possible, I use people who charge a lower rate for the client than my hourly rate to be most cost effective for the client. So these are all aspects of the divorce that I think are important, as important as the substance of the divorce. Along the way, I work with the client and determine what things are important and what things aren't, and we make some decisions together about what we should do to make their divorce as successful as possible.